biggest consideration was really time. Before we made this investment, paint was our bottleneck in the process, and we were really limited on how much we could produce a week based on how much we could paint manually in our paint booth. We had made a change in the paint booth and we could not replace our painter. We simply could not hire another skilled painter. And so that helped, that was a catalyst for it to make that change. We only had really myself and another guy who was running the paint booth, and we're trying to schedule our entire production around what one person could do, and realized that, at least we hoped, that this machine would take us and move that bottleneck somewhere else. And so far it's absolutely done that. We can paint in one day, in one shift, more than we could paint in an entire week. And on top of that, the consistency and the quality of finish is hands down better than it was before. We had done a lot of research, did some homework on the different kind of machines, got quotes, looked at the various options on the market, and really decided that Superfici was, I think, the best value as far as the total package with the conveyors and the oven compared to the other machines, and that's what really made our decision for us. The installation process was super smooth, and we unloaded all the equipment. That was pretty straightforward, didn't unbox much of it. It was really a pretty quick process. By the end of the week, we were producing top quality parts. We're always thinking about return on investment, and especially when you make a purchase this size. And so far, I feel like we should be in under 2-year payback. And if we don't achieve that, it'll be because something's changed in the market. This machine certainly has capability and has allowed us to increase production to where if our payback's not inside of 2 years, I'd be shocked.